How's it going, YouTube? It's Sean here, and I'm here today to give you guys my review of the Nike SB Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the New York City to Paris colorway. These are set to drop this coming Friday for $175 US or $235 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is light bone, crimson tint, and hyper pink. Releasing alongside this pair, Nike SB and Jordan Brand are also releasing another Jordan 1 High, but in a much more limited LA to Chicago colorway. Though, to be completely honest with you guys, I feel like this pair is definitely being slept on. So the last time we saw Jordan Brand work together with Nike SB was, I believe, the release of the Jordan 1 Lance Mountains. Done in similar fashion though, this pair also features paint on the exterior that can be worn off either through natural wear or on purpose with acetone to reveal a secondary color underneath. So according to Nike, this gray exterior is supposed to represent the grittiness of New York City, and then when you wear this away, it reveals hints of crimson tint and hyper pink, which is supposed to represent the vibrancy of Paris. So jumping straight into the shoe, the base layer of this sneaker as seen on the toe box, this is constructed using this very pale gray colored leather. To the touch, I gotta say that the leather on this pair isn't that bad. It feels pretty thick and sturdy, but there's still some sense of softness to it, which I thought was pretty nice. Wrapping around the edge of the toe box and running up the center area of the shoe where the eyelets are, here we have this light bone or gray colored leather. So all areas of the shoe which are done in this darker gray leather can be worn off to reveal crimson tint underneath. So you can see a bit of this color peeping through on the sides of the leather. On the midfoot of both the lateral side and the medial side, again we have this pale gray leather, and then overlaid on top of this, we have this black leather Nike swoosh. This black paint, similar to the darker gray paint, can be worn away, revealing a hyper pink colored swoosh. On the lateral side only around this ankle collar area, of course we have your signature Air Jordan Wings logo, and this is done in black. And then above this, at the very top collar area, this black paint wears away, revealing pink underneath. In terms of laces, so these come standard with your flat style black laces, but they also give you 3 extra lace options, 2 of which are very loud and very vibrant, and plays upon the colors of the leather found underneath this gray and black respectively. Underneath the laces, we have your standard black colored nylon tongue, and at the very top, we have this Nike SB branding instead of Nike Air, and this is done in black and crimson. As I pull out the insole, so these come with a very vibrant hyper pink colored insole. Once again, instead of Nike Air, we have Nike SB branded on the heel. And then turning over the insole over to the other side, true to Nike SB fashion, we have a Nike Zoom Air unit underneath the heel. So the upper of these Jordan 1s sit atop this light gray colored midsole. As I turn these over to the bottom, so here we have your standard Air Jordan 1 outsole. We have your circular traction pattern on the forefoot, along with the Nike logo found right in the center. In terms of sizing, so despite being a collaboration with Nike SB, these pretty much fit exactly like all my other Jordan 1s. So for most people, that means sticking true to size, but for me personally, because I have slightly wider feet, I just prefer the feel and the fit of the half size up. But overall though, if you guys have worn Jordan 1s before, I just stick with your normal Jordan 1 size for this pair. From a comfort standpoint, so honestly with the addition of the Zoom Air bag on the heel, it doesn't feel too different, and I'd say that these feel pretty much identical to all my other Jordan 1s, so that means having a very stable and very low to the ground feel, but it's not a shoe that's going to feel very plush and very soft on feet. So with all that said, now let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Obviously with the high resale price, the Laker pair is going to be super sought after, but I gotta say I really appreciate the low keyness of this shoe, and I was pleasantly surprised by the quality of the leather as well. Regardless though, resale value or not, the color scheme on this shoe is super versatile, super wearable, and it still gives you that option of wearing away certain parts of the shoe to basically make it customized and true to you. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this Nike SB Air Jordan 1 in the New York City to Paris or light bone colorway. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a follow on my Instagram at esco8. check out my Twitter account at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Good luck if you guys are planning on copying these this coming Friday, and until next time, I will catch you guys in my next video.